How beautiful are the feet of those who bear good tidings. Written after Father Prior's talk with the Archbishop. C'est un des jours les plus heureux de ma vie. Oh bliss in but a sound, oh happy day that changes every day forevermore, that brings back yesterday from far away and sparkles with a grace once known before. A word this hour was heard that has a power beyond the noise of scribblings and of hands not driven from above. Nay, one small hour, or ears of heavy waiting calmly stands. My God, I shall thee touch, I shall thee hold, and be thy voice on earth. I shall be free to climb these ancient steps, and there be bold to walk alone mid clouded Trinity. I shall, hid friend, forever and a day, a priest be, till the aeons fade away. How sweet the sound of a sound can be. Ô joie profonde, ô belle et douce extase, inconnue de ce monde, inconnue, oui, d'hier, d'avant-hier. Ô douces phrases, portées à mes oreilles aujourd'hui, proférées par les siècles dès l'aurore de l'univers en feu, au son d'un Dieu éloigné et si proche. Approche, adore, bon ange compagnon de ce saint lieu. Demain, nos mains le toucheront, nos voix le crieront, ce maître créateur qui cria ce frisson, ce mot d'un choix, court, oui, immense et dense de lueur, qui brilla dans l'obscurité profonde, que pénétra le tremblement d'une